Hi guys, welcome to another quick guidance video. In this video, I will talk about how to prepare for CAT in the coming 3 to 4 months. So this video is definitely useful for the people who are just in the starting phase of their preparation. But I will also talk about tips and tricks on how to improve and better your overall score if you are in the middle of your preparation. So that will come in the latter half of the video. So I'll just get started with people who are just starting with their preparation for CAT. So first things first, if you are planning on giving CAT, I want you to think through that whether or not MBA is a good career path for you at this moment. If you are sure about it, well and good. Otherwise, you can just look at the video. The link is up there. And you can just look at it and get sure that this is something that I want to do and this is something I want my career to go to. Second thing is that you should gather your necessary resources. Now there are plenty of resources, videos, etc. available online. It's important that you do not get confused by all of that. My personal advice is take a correspondence course of any major coaching institute. You can maybe share it with a friend if you want, or just get access to the modules, etc. Why is this important? Is a correspondence course from a major institute would kind of have a comprehensive, completeness of the entire syllabus, and also it will give you a way and a path to go from one topic to other. Whereas if you take like individual books or individual random videos, you might miss out on a few topics, or you might not understand what is the path to be taken, or you will have to do a lot of planning and scheduling by yourself. So if you are okay doing that, then you can take any resource. Otherwise, if you want to do a structured preparation, then I would recommend a correspondence or online, any kind of course. Along with that, do take mock test series. Now that depends on how free you are. If you are say in college, or if you do not have a lot of work around you, then you can take up to 2 mock test series. One should be something that you are giving regularly. The second one, you can probably share it with a friend or someone. And if you are say working and have really hectic hours, then you can just take 1 mock test series, and maybe a few mocks you can just ask a friend to share. Now at the first step, you need to give a mock and see where you stand, because the starting point will be defined by this particular mock. In this mock, you do not need to do any beforehand preparation, etc. You can just give the mock test at any time when you are free. Just take 3 hours together and give a test. This will tell you that where do you stand in terms of accuracy or speed in all the 3 different sections. And maintaining a baseline is important, because that is how you will know how much progress you have made since when you started. And I hope even for people who are kind of in the middle of their preparation, you are also kind of keeping track of the different scores and accuracy, percentile, etc. of all the 3 different sections. I have a really good answer on how to keep track of your mock test scores on Quora. I will post the link in description. So once you know that what are the major sections you are missing on, or major topics you are not really strong at, you can then start with sectional tests, or you can read the modules or watch any online modules. Giving sectional tests and topic specific tests are really important, and you should always do this with a timer. Obviously sectional online test will happen with a timer, but even if you are practicing any questions offline, just ensure you keep a stopwatch in front of you. This will automatically prepare you to give the final exam without any pressure from the timer. So apart from the 3 major sections that are there in CAT, the 4th major point is the timer pressure that totally takes down any preparation that you have done. I have heard so many people say that, without the timer, without the, when I'm not in the mock test, I can solve around 5 to 6 questions more per section than I solve in the mock test. That means there's so much pressure of the timer that you are not able to perform even as much as you know. And that is something really wrong. So whatever phase of preparation you are in, it would be great if any kind of practice that you do, whether it's offline questions, whether it is analyzing a mock test, redoing a question, etc., you just do it along with a timer with you. Okay. So the way that you should give your mock test continuously, at least one every week. If you are free, if you have more time, you can give 2 mock tests every week. Giving a mock test does not mean that you will just keep on giving 2 to 3 mock tests every week and not analyzing them. Analyzing mock tests is really, really, really important. There's details in the link above, and you should definitely watch how to analyze a mock test, because it can significantly improve your performance. If you feel that you are lacking in any particular section, I have also made a few sectional strategy videos. The links would be appearing above. So you can watch sectional video for VARC, for LRDI, for quantitative ability, for any specific problems that you are facing in that section. Now, as I was talking about continuing to track your progress, what all do you need to track? You need to track your accuracy in every section, your number of attempts, that means your speed, and hence your percentile. So a good metric is increasing accuracy as well as increasing number of attempts. That means that you are definitely going in the right direction. If you feel that your number of attempts are increasing and your accuracy is decreasing, that means you are just attempting questions in a haste without considering whether or not you are getting it right. So ensure you keep all of these small things in your mind when you are preparing, and all of these things will come when you give mock tests. And apart from this, obviously it's less time, but apart from this, just stay motivated throughout the 4 months that are there. Do not think of external consequences of whether or not CAT will happen in November, whether it will shift to December, etc. These things might happen, might not happen, but it is the same for every one of you. So it's okay, and do not be bothered by that. Just ensure that you are doing your preparation right and you stay motivated all through the time. If you feel it is getting really, really hectic, maybe in October or November along with your job, then it's fine to take a few leaves, say 1 or 2 weeks. You can just take a few leaves from the job and just focus your entire time on your preparation. Just don't worry too much. You can prepare for the exam in short period of time as well. I have heard that so many people just get worried by their mock scores and they stop giving mocks. That is kind of the worst thing you can do to your preparation. So just continue giving mocks every week. Even if you're getting less score, this just doesn't change anything, right? It will just tell you that you are probably not on the correct path that you should be on, and you can just change the way you are moving or way you are preparing. And that is it. If you just stop giving mocks, what happens is you do not even get a sense of whether or not you are progressing in the right direction. So ensure you keep on doing that. And that's it, guys. Just good luck, do good preparation, good luck for the exam. And of course, let me know in case you want to know about anything else, and I will make a quick video on that. And let me know any feedback as well. Goodbye, see you soon.